Kia ora everyone, my name's Miss Johns and today we're going to be learning how we can make our own reusable face mask. So if you're like me here in New Zealand, in Aotearoa, we're in a level 4 lockdown. You might be wondering, hang on, how are we going to do that? We're at home, we can't go out shopping and buying fabric and things. How in the heck am I going to sew? I don't have a sewing machine at home. Those are expensive. No fabric stash, no elastic. I don't even think I've got a needle and thread. No worries. On my channel today, I've got you covered. Coming up are some quick hacks on what you can do to make your own mask. So you're going to need a piece of A4 paper, some kind of marker. That's going to be to draw your template. You're also going to need a tape measure or a ruler so that you can measure out your pattern to the correct size. You're going to need some scissors. The other thing you'll need to find is some fabric. Not all of us have the ability to go and get this right now. I've got a couple of options here. One of the things you can do is use an old shirt. Instead of throwing it out in the trash, I'm going to reuse the perfectly good cotton fabric. You can also use old t-shirts. The fabric is best if it's got a really tight weave. That means that you can't see through it when you hold it up to the light. That means it's going to make a good mask. You don't want lots of air being able to escape through freely. It might feel nice breathing wise, but it's not going to protect you. The other option that you can use is an old bed sheet. Got to check with a parent first, but it's a good source of fabric. If you don't have any elastic like this one here in the house, you can get it out of old clothes. But if you can't get hold of elastic, then what you can do is you can actually use material from a stretchy t-shirt or something like this one here. Can you see how the fabric stretches? Whereas if I do that with the shirt, it doesn't stretch. So this is cotton. This is actually merino wool. So this one is nice and stretchy. So I'm going to use this as the ear piece that goes around here. So this nice and stretchy fabric's going to act as a substitute for elastic. I'm back from the supermarket and now I have my needle and thread, so let's get started. on. So over the nose, over the ears, down, tuck under the chin. Now that it's on, I'm ready to go. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you here again next time. Ka kite, haere rā. To correctly put on the mask that you've now made, put it over the ears like so, and ta-da. That was terrible. I mean, not bad considering I'm wearing the kids one. It looks pretty good.